Let's look at our cages. You can clearly see there are 10 cm between the cages and also 10 cm between the top meshes and the manure belt, ensuring good ventilation and small temperature difference. And per bird area is 450 square centimeter, so your chickens will live more comfortably. About drinking system, we have 2 water lines, ensuring the chickens have enough water to drink. If one water line breaks, the other can still provide water perfectly. And our environmental control system, it can automatically adjust settings based on the bird's needs, so provide a comfortable environment for the chickens. If you want to know more details, leave us the message.
RETECH Farming, the most reliable farming service provider.